Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl here, izy.m, back in again with another YouTube video. Hey.
Tune come on, yalla, get on ma. Make we put it on replay. On replay.
If you're new here, you know my name is izy.m. Anyway, so today it's really hot, so I had to eat my peanut ideal, you know, out here in Belize. Really hot. Anyway, that's not the point of the video. So my closet really needs a makeover. Like, my closet really like not to work. Today we're gonna be cleaning my closet. Let's get into the video. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Why you still? Let's go. So my closet is a disaster. This is only walking, but this is all my clothes here, and then some of them aren't hanged up. They're just hanging on the bottom one. And then like the floor is like covered in, oh my gosh, in here it looks crazy. Then I have like over here and look up there, like, oh, my closet is horrible. I'm gonna start on this end of the closet. Over here, and I used to have my skirts, then my dressy shirts, then my school clothes, then my dresses and my jackets. But now it's like clothes that don't fit me, one skirt because I don't have a lot of skirts, a lot of school clothes don't even fit me, and dresses where I knew, what is this weird. So we're gonna start with the jackets first.
Shot the town wanna ride with me to get some more. Pick a couple of wild Irish roses. You looking delectable. Made arrangements for that.
Whoa, I did not know I had so much, bro. What the heck? I only wear like 3 of these. Yes, I'm still eating this ideal. So basically this is what I'm gonna do. I don't buy my own clothes with my own money, so I can't make like piles of clothes to donate or stuff that I want to sell or stuff like that, because I have no business selling clothes that I didn't buy. And I have 2 younger sisters, so usually when the clothes don't fit me, I just put it away and I do it to my mom so she can decide what she wants to do with it. So that's what I'm gonna be doing, taking out clothes that don't fit me.
Repetition, equinox, oops, I mean equinox, MEGF, baby, and the F is for finito. Triangles down the circle.
I don't know if I'll ever wear this around. I could see me wearing this, but weird. Maybe when I go in Miami.
Crazy, yeah. Populism, I'm seeing 3D. We saw Nefertiti, you won't believe me. Posted up like a lamb, come rub on the genie. I know you wish for forever, ever you see me. My stones rolling, but fuck it, you rocking with me. Yeah, you rocking with me. Something about your little combo, just do something for me. And I ain't cold with you, I'm treating you cute.
So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sweaters left because it's hot in Belize, so I don't really need a lot of sweaters. These are even sweaters. Only like 2 of them are actual sweaters. I think I have more down here anyway. I don't need a lot because it's always hot. It's only like cold in January and December. So we're gonna do my jumpsuits and my dresses. We're gonna do this probably last. Oh look, it's my communion dress. Or my confirmation one.
You make me weak, make me thirsty for release. One come compliment me.
I'm just gonna keep this because I might be able to wear this at like church or something.
Cop a flight to Paris, low key. It's you, baby girl, I'm tryna breathe. Please, baby, try understand me. I'm not a monster, I'm just a man with needs. I take flights when.
Okay, so this is what I did. I put a pile over here for stuff that I probably won't really be wearing, but I'm just gonna have it in case. This one's like just in case. Like, I don't even want to wear this black one, but I probably need it if I need to go to like a funeral. And then I have this white one. I don't know, I don't really wear these anywhere except for like not occasions, but like just in case. And then all the clothes that I will be wearing frequently. Do you not see how much clothes I got rid of? Like, there's barely anything up there now. Now I have to do this. So I'm making some progress. You can see the actual ground and the bucket, so yeah. This is like something that I have where I just keep all my shoes. I got this like years ago. Those are all my bags and stuff.
And you are
fresh out booth. If they want the drama, got the ooze. Ship the whole crew to the cruise. Doing shit you don't even see him move. Ride with me, boss. I got a hard head, but her ass off. She want the last name with the ring on it. Cause I pulled out $1 million cash, told her plank on it. You are unforgettable. I need to get you alone. Now you want you.
Okay guys, let me give you a tour of how this place is looking, right?
Coffee come in like a rapture, and everybody get captured. Play sleep up like a helicopter, when them see the lyrics constructor. Coffee come in like a rapture, and everybody get captured. Play sleep up like a helicopter, when them see the lyrical doctor. Coffee hotting up the temperature for them see. Me know the man fi but friend me fi enemy. Yo, of us me see people around me so plenty, but me pocket na empty, me need space so large.
Them the life is see the use them healthy and wealthy. So before them help with them belt with them bench. Got to use some senti and them be a med fit. Build up mama house and buy the Benz them and Bentley.
Same way so me see the enemy a protest. Whoa, and him could come the closest. No, I can feel still I do the mostest. I want me to put in the work and trust the process.
But me trust in a judge because you know best. Remember the days them when me closeless. Man I pre-progress, work hard no rest. Till I beer sweat, clear the way make sister.
Coffee come in like a rapture.
Okay guys, so that's the end of this video. This is the first time I did an actual cleaning video, I guess, on my channel. But that's it for this video. My closet is clean now, so I love you guys so much. Come back for other videos. Let's get it, eh?
Tune come on, girl, get on them, make we put it on replay. On replay,
Oh my gosh, I'm already tired. I forgot to give up. I wore this at a paint party.